Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. So I know everybody is waiting for the salsa video. So here's what happened. The salsa video is going to be postponed until Wednesday. I have something like carpal tunnel or something wrong with my wrist, and without me having a wrist to work with, I can work with it, but it is super painful. So we're going to Disneyland tomorrow. I'm going to rest my arm from canning, from typing, all kinds of stuff that I normally do, and just have a day where I'm not doing anything on the computer. I will be recording a couple videos from Disneyland tomorrow, and then we'll get right back to canning and everything on Wednesday. So what I am going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to do the tomato powder in a separate, very short video in just a couple minutes here. I hope you guys all understand. I know we have a lot of new viewers, new subscribers. Welcome to all of you guys. It's not normally how I operate. Usually when I say I'm going to do something, it's the video's out there. Today it was just too painful. I just can't stand here and do salsa and chop everything. I just can't get it done, you guys. We're freezing everything and getting it ready. It's just going to be all ready on Wednesday. So I have this jar right here of tomato skins, all dehydrated, and I'm going to show you guys how to do the tomato powder in just a couple of minutes. So stay tuned for that. Please don't unsubscribe. I've got a lot of stuff coming. I really think I just need a day off from jars and lifting things and stuff like that. So I think a nice relaxing day at the parks tomorrow is just what I need to get away, have a mental health day, have a de-stress day, and then we'll get back to everything on Wednesday. I do have some more jars coming in and everything. I do have some more lids. If anybody needs lids, email me, but honestly, I'm not going to get to my email now until Wednesday morning. Lids will be in the order of first email. First come, first served. Everybody will get lids. It's just in order of email and as I get them, okay? Wednesday we'll be doing pickles, salsa, and I think that's it for Wednesday. And then I'll tell you guys what to expect for the rest of the week. So stay tuned. Please like, please subscribe. Have a lot of teaching videos coming. We're also going to be doing some basil infused olive oil. So that's going to be really cool. And I think you guys will enjoy that. So stay tuned and watch out for some Disneyland videos tomorrow. And then back to canning. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.